Getting ready to go to dinner, going for my parents' anniversary because I'm not letting them go to a nice place without me. It was a date or something, but you know what? I'll take what I can get. Prepping my skin with my Merit shit. It's not shit, it's actually great. I've been making a little vlog today. Got my lashes lifted, so I'm gonna try to go for no makeup. And put mascara on them or get them wet for at least 24 hours. Let's see how this goes. I have my hair in a slick back. I don't know how I feel about it. I never do my hair like this, but it is slowly growing on me. Honestly, I have no idea where we're going. I think it's either Italian or a steakhouse. Both are my type of jams, so I'm excited. To Target, I'm trying to incorporate more drugstore makeup into my videos. Seeing y'all's comments, okay? I'm not ignoring you. I went for the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. Everyone loves this. The medium shade. Oh, I feel like it's evening out my complexion a little bit, which I love. I have a really healthy glow to my skin, and I think I really like this. A little bit of the Kosas color corrector. I want this in the medium shade, because the tanner I get, the more I feel like the pink looks wild. Oh, well, I'm bright now. Hey, slay, I'm awake, bitch. Little dollop of my House Labs foundation for a tiny bit more coverage. I don't know what's going on, but I've been feeling like a pit in my stomach this entire day. I really want it to go away because like low-key makes me sad. That's strange, but I'm pushing through, doing things that make me happy, like my makeup. Say spritz. Just doing a little bit because I don't want to over warm up my face. That's like perfect for what I need right now. Honestly, I'm kind of terrible at no makeup. I like to add more and more and more. I try to be good and give natural right now. I think I'm doing a decent job. I feel like so disconnected from the world today. Everything's going right in my life, or ish. But I don't really know why I feel like this. Girl's trying her best though, damn. The House Labs Ginger, it's my favorite blush right now. It's just perfect. Just so natural looking on my skin tone. Very summer. I want to add any concealer because that always makes it full glam to me. Go over it with my foundation brush and like blend everything together. I love these Urban Decay shadow sticks. They're so easy. Line under and just blend it out with my finger. Once these set, they don't fucking move. It's crazy. Mid Private Album, I'm just putting it under and all over my lid for a little something. It's gonna be a pain trying to get this off without getting my lashes wet, but I have faith. To be a lash extension addict, so being here right now is like crazy. It took me so long to get them off because I thought I wouldn't feel beautiful after. This is the prettiest I've ever felt in my life, so was wrong. Guys, my eyeliner I ordered like almost a month ago at this point still isn't here. I think I'm being scammed, but it's Amazon. Like, can you get scammed on Amazon? I messaged the seller and they were like, oh, it got turned around. I'll send you another. That was like 2 weeks ago. I haven't got any updates. I message them again. I don't want to be annoying, but I think I'm gonna have to be. e.l.f. lip liner in Baddest Beige. We're gonna try it, right? How do we feel about the skin? I think I did a decent job of keeping it natural. You can still see like all my freckles. This is the shade that everybody loves, so I have high hopes. Ooh, I know I'm gonna like this. Such a good natural shade. Holy shit, I've been missing out. Didn't know I have lip filler. I actually have 2 syringes. I have my touch-up appointment next week and I'm excited and nervous because I always feel like a clown for the first 2 weeks. But most people don't even notice I have filler, so my injector, she knows what the fuck she's doing. I don't want any filler work shaming comments. Judge around here, okay? Get what makes you feel good and fuck everyone else. Best friend's coming with me, so I'm gonna make her film me. Is it criminal I've never tried Milani Make It Last? Ooh, okay. It was okay. I'm not supposed to get my lashes wet. Whoops! Okay, cute. Natural finish, which is my favorite. Okay, well, I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll wait to go to dinner. Sorry if I was boring today, baddies. I'm just kind of not all here. Anyways, love you bitches.